Hey everyone, this is Fat Abdul Aziz and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to redirect your thank you page in contact form 7. So to do this, at first we have to create a form. This is a contact form 7 dashboard. Then click the add contact form and I will give a title here, new form. Click save. Now we have to copy this shortcode. Then we have to go to the page section and add a new page. Then I write new form and paste the shortcode and click publish. So this is our new form. As you can see, now we add this form in this menu bar. To do this, go to the appearance and click the menus and choose the secondary menu or main menu. For example, I'll click the main menu and then I'll click the view all, and now we have created a new page which is new form, and then click add to menu. Then click the save menu. Then again visit the website. As you can see, this is our new form. So I've already created a thank you page. So this is our thank you page. Now we will redirect this page in the contact form 7. So to do this, you have to add a plugin. I'll write redirect for contact form 7. You have to install this plugin redirection for contact form 7. Okay, I've already installed this plugin. So now we'll again go to our contact form 7 dashboard. Then we will choose the our contact form which is new form. Then click the edit and then go to the actions, and here click the add action and choose this redirect and give a title thank you page, and we'll select the page thank you and click the save. So our work is done. Let's test it now. Then go to the new form and fill up these fields and click submit. Now as you can see, our thank you page is redirected from the contact form 7. Thank you so much for watching the video.